Do you have book with you?
Yes, ma'am, I have it.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Then how
Ma'am,
will
I
you
have
prepare
got
for your
it.
exam?
Ma'am, I will go. Ma'am, I will go on 25. Ma'am, 25th of June.
Okay, okay. All
Ma'am,
right.
actually, reason is that my mama has came from army training, so he has kept one occasion, so that's why I have to be here.
Okay, okay. So shall we start now? Everybody please take out page number 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am, take out it.
Taken out.
Taken out. I've taken out. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
The first one, dash have been found at many Neolithic sites. What have been
Sickle.
found?
Ma'am, sickle. Ma'am, sickle.
Sickles. Very
Ma'am,
good.
sickle.
Yes. In most of the Neolithic sites, we have found sickles. Next, the first cereals to be grown were
Wheat and barley. Ma'am, wheat
Ma'am,
and
wheat and
barley.
barley.
very good wheat and barley that I had mentioned in the PPT also, isn't it? And I
Yes,
thought that
ma'am.
this was the first cereal to be grown. Many pit houses have been found at. Where was the pit houses
Ma'am,
found?
Mehergarh. Ma'am, Mehergarh. Ma'am,
No,
Mehergarh.
ma'am.
Burj
No,
home.
ma'am, it's wrong. Ma'am, Burj home.
Yes.
And Borjo.
Remember when I was teaching about Burj home, archaeological evidences, there we discussed about pit houses, isn't it? See, I can show you in the book. Pit houses. Many pit houses have been found at Burj home. Got it, beta? So correct answer for this one is Burj home, not Mehergarh. Mehergarh के बारे में हमने इधर पढ़ा था. Here, this side, the northwestern part. Correct. Since both stone and dash were used, this period is called the Chalcolithic age. What do we call as
Ma'am,
Chalcolithic
ma'am,
age?
ma'am, since both stone and copper. Copper.
Yes,
Ma'am,
very
copper.
good.
Ma'am,
Correct
copper.
answer is copper. Fifth number, dash is an important Neolithic site in Assam.
Ma'am, Dowjali heading.
Daujali heading. Yes, see this is written here. Daujali heading is an important Neolithic site in Assam. Got it? So this is correct answer. Daujali heading. Everybody got the answer? Is it clear to all?
Yes, yes ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are moving towards very short answer. Name some of the animals domesticated by early humans.
Ma'am,
Some
cats
of
and
the
dogs.
animals. Yes, ma'am. Wild ancestor of dogs, ma'am, then cattle, sheep,
Mhm.
and goats.
Yes, very good. See, this is given here also. They tamed animals such as dogs, pigs, goats, sheep, cattle, horses, and donkeys, isn't it? So these are the animals. So any 2 to 3 you can write. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Now next one is what enabled early humans to make pots of different shapes and sizes in much lesser time.
Potter's wheel. Potter's wheel.
Yes, that was
What
potter's
really
wheel.
enabled to make difference and much lesser time.
Ma'am, can
Yes,
I
beta,
ask
very good.
something?
That is
Ma'am, can I
potter's
ask
wheel.
something, Vibha?
Yes, beta, ask.
Ma'am, what is the difference between the normal wheel and the potter's wheel?
Beta, normal wheel was used for the purpose of transport. Correct. And the potter's
No, ma'am,
wheel was
not that.
specifically.
Ma'am, the wheels were same, no. Ma'am, वो wheels तो same था.
Ah, yes, the wheel was same.
Okay, ma'am. That only I wanted to ask.
Okay. So that was potter's wheel. Next, in which period did pottery make its appearance in Mehergarh? Period means you have to tell period first, period second, period third. We have studied here.
Ma'am, third.
Ma'am, period 2.
Pottery
Ma'am,
makes
period
its
2.
appearance in period
Ma'am,
2.
period 2. Ma'am,
Got it,
period
beta?
2.
Yes, see, it is written here. Pottery makes its appearance in period 2. So which period is this? This is the period of Mehergarh, isn't it? The Mehergarh was only divided
5500
into...
BCE to 4800 BCE.
Yes, beta. So these were the 3 periods of Mehergarh. So don't get confused here. So here it was period 2. Fourth. Name 2 Neolithic sites in Tripura. Tripura से 2 Neolithic sites का नाम बताइए.
Tripura. Ma'am, Telimura and Agartala, Jirania, Mohanpur and Vishalgarh.
Yes. I hope everybody can see the screen. There are many more places. Teliamura, Jirania, Mohanpur, Bishalgarh, Agartala. These are the places. So any two you can write जो आपको easy लगे, which you can remember easily, that you can write. Okay?
Ma'am, I will remember Mohanpur and Agartala.
Yes, Agartala is very popular name. Everybody knows about it. The capital one itself. And any other?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? So all I've done up till here. Question number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Agartala, Bishalpur. Now,
Not Vishalpur. Ma'am, Vishalgarh.
okay,
Vishalgarh.
Vishalpur. Okay.
Ma'am, it's Mohanpur.
अच्छा देखो दोनों पुर और गढ़ मिल गया यहाँ पे साथ आकर के. विशालगढ़.
क्या इसे करते हैं?
So all I've done up till B.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's move to short answer question for the following. Why did early humans make pottery? How did they learn to make pottery?
Ma'am, early humans made pottery so that they can make pots, and that's why they can store their food grains and water. And they learned pottery by the potter's wheel.
Yes, you speak your answer. I'm telling so that all can mark it.
How did they learn to make pottery?
How did they learn?
Yes, ma'am. They learned to make pottery by the potter's wheel when it is told when a person or someone rolled a... Ma'am, I'm confused here.
Okay. Somebody else who want to answer this question? How did they learn to make potter's wheel? Anybody who can answer? इन्होंने pottery कैसे सीखी? That it is asking, right? Nobody knows.
No, can I say answer? Ashwat Saran.
Yes, speak up.
Yes, ma'am. Early humans learn how to make pottery by the potter's wheel and by putting the mud in the potter's wheel and rolling it round and round.
Yes, exactly. This is very easy. Isn't it? This is what they were doing, Nabita. They used to give it a shape. So for giving the shape, what they did, they used to give it a shape by means they used to give it shape by hand, and then after they were baking it in fire, due to which that entire utensil or whatever you say the vessel was ready. Correct. So this pottery they learnt with the help of potter's wheel. Potter wheel के help से वो अपना pottery बनाना means the vessel they used to make it ready. Okay, so you can refer this paragraph here. The complete answer is written. Like 2 questions here is being asked now. Why did early humans make pottery? So these people made pottery to store grains, liquid and cooked food, and देखो बस यहीं तक लिख सकते हो, इतना लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, to store grains, liquids and cooked food. For other half, that is asking how did they learn to make pottery? So humans learned to make clay pottery by giving it shape with hand and then baked it in fire. Okay, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Clear.
ma'am. Yes.
So read on page number 18. This is why I've shared the screen so that you can get the answer clearly. Okay, so this is answer for C का 2 है ना?
C1. I'm C1. C1.
Yes, you can mark it. Okay, this is C1. So refer this paragraph and prepare your answer accordingly. Now second is asking how do we get to know about the existence of early farmers? हमें early farmers के बारे में कैसे पता चल पाया? Any idea? How did we know about early farmers?
Can I tell Shashwat Anand? Shashwat Anand.
Yes,
Vibhav?
okay, let Shashwat answer the question, then Vibhav will tell.
Yes, ma'am. We get to know about the existence of early farmers because many archaeologists have found many evidences of existence of early farmers, such as seeds of wheat, barley, and many kinds of lentils at Burzarom in Jammu Kashmir, Meghar, and other sites.
Very good, very good. Vibhav, now you answer.
Ma'am, I am also, ma'am, I am okay with Shashwat's answer.
Okay, okay. See, beta, you all can refer page number 18, archaeological evidences. Here the answer is written. Archaeologists have found many evidences of existence of early farmer. What are those evidences? Charred grains and seeds of wheat, barley, and many kinds of lentils have been found from Burjahom, Mehergarh, and other sites. Right. This is what the question is asking, that how do we get to know about the existence of early farmers? So because of the evidences that archaeologists have accumulated. Right. तो आर्कोलॉजिस्ट ने जो जो भी एविडेंसेस इकट्ठा किए हैं इन सब से अर्ली फार्मर्स के एग्जिस्टेंस के बारे में पता चलता है. तो वो क्या क्या एविडेंसेस थे? तो चार्ड ग्रेन एंड सीड्स ऑफ व्हीट, बार्ली एंड मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ लेंटिल्स. रिमेंबर व्हेन आई टोल्ड मसूर का दाल लेंटिल, बताया था मैंने ये बात.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this is answer for C2. ठीक है? Got it everyone? All have marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Girls are clear? Nobody is responding. Palak?
No, ma'am, it is clear.
Okay, beta. Third, write a short note on Daujali heading. So for
Ma'am,
this,
can I tell Pala? Ma'am,
yes,
Pala. Ma'am, Darjeeling handling is an important Neolithic site in Assam. Existing digging at the site has yielded fossil stone tools, ceramics, and kitchens such as corn,
grinders.
grinders, pesticides, and mortars.
It's
A large number of
pestils.
pestles and mortars.
Mortars, yes.
A large number of pots have also been founded. All these finds suggest that people here were growing and storing grains and preparing food.
Yes.
Ma'am.
So this is entire paragraph and here it is extensive. Okay, this is yield
Hello, ma'am.
polished.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Vibhav. Ma'am, my battery is only 1% charge. Ma'am, 1% only charge. Ma'am, and light is also not here. So, ma'am, time when I am here, ma'am, that time I will be here, ma'am, if I leave the class, so sorry.
It's okay, beta. Don't worry. Recorded. So I will send the recording on your WhatsApp number. Whenever you get your phone charged, you can see it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, please.
All right. All right. So beta, for this Daujali heading question, write a short note on Daujali heading. For this, you can refer this paragraph. No need to write entire paragraph. You can write some of the important points from here.
Can you write in our own words also?
Definitely, yes. That will be best. If you write in your own words, that is the best thing. Writing so much background voices coming. Mute yourself. And who is answering?
Ma'am, Rishabh.
Ma'am, I disabled his mic. Now I am enabling him.
Okay, see.
Ma'am, I have called Bishop. Ma'am, he is now in the class.
Yes, yes, I can see. So, everyone is clear with the answers of all these three?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, we are moving towards the long answers for the following question. How did agriculture change the life of early humans? Anyone who
Can
would...
I tell?
Yes, beta.
Early, after agriculture, the life of the early they want to move from one place to another in the search of food. Now they can be able to stay in one place and do agriculture there.
Okay. Somebody else who want to answer this question?
Ma'am, can I say Sashwat
ma'am,
Anand?
Vibhav.
No, not Sashwat, not Vibhav. Somebody else who has not yet answered. Okay, listen. So as this question is asking that how did agriculture change the life of early humans? So there are many things that we can write here, isn't it, beta? Earlier people were leading a nomadic life, but when they learned agriculture, so they started growing crops, isn't it? They started growing the crops. They started getting engaged into domestication. So this is how they started living a settled life. Instead of going in search of food from one place to another, they started getting settled into a particular place. They used to grow the crop, and even they started exchanging the things. Remember the barter system we studied about?
Yes, ma'am.
याद है
Barter
सबको?
system. Exchanging item.
In the
Exchanging the item.
Ma'am, the answer in the 17th chapter, ma'am, after humans produce food.
And they used to
Ma'am,
tame the
here,
animals by that
agriculture.
crop.
Yes, beta. So listen.
And ma'am,
It
they
is
used to hunt animal and made the tools and weapons.
so regarding
Ma'am,
that,
and
you
there
don't need to write.
there can be 3 points written here. And
Exactly.
there can be 3 points that now because of agriculture humans lived a settled life, and then we can write that after the agriculture humans started domesticating animals, and after that we can write that after agriculture humans started barter system.
Yes. So not only
Now, can I tell what
domesticating animals, you can write that they started getting engaged into domestication. So it includes both taming animals as well as growing crops. Right? Both of the points will be covered. So you can simply write domestication. No need to write domesticate animals. सिर्फ domestication लिखना. ठीक है? Yes, Vibha was saying something.
Yes, ma'am. Now, can I explain barter system? Ma'am, in the barter system, if one person has a dozen of bananas, and if he or she wants a dozen of eggs, so he or she can replace his dozen of bananas who needs dozen of bananas, and he take that dozen of eggs from the person.
Yes, exactly. This is what is barter system. According to our needs, we exchange the thing with other person. We don't need any money to pay, right? Any amount we don't need to pay. The things we can exchange. That is called barter system. So for writing
Ma'am,
this
right
answer,
now
that how?
Ma'am, till now also in my village, when my grandpa has no money, so he used to take a kilo of rice or 2 kilos, and he go to the shop and exchange that and get some wheat.
Yes. So that is called barter system, isn't it? According to our needs, we exchange the things. So here for the question, how did agriculture change the life of early humans? You can refer this paragraph and write the answer. Even some of the points I have told, so you can prepare your own answer. That will be the best, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Mark it is D1. Yes.
Ma'am, I've written whole agriculture changed the life of tools and weapons. Whole I have to write. I have written, ma'am.
Okay, no issues. But don't write such lengthy answers. You won't be able to
Okay,
remember
ma'am.
it. Okay?
Okay.
If in
I will
copy I have written, let it be. You read it out well in exams.
Hello, ma'am.
Own words. Yes?
Ma'am, can we write in exam? Ma'am, can we write in our own words?
Definitely. I always prefer those answers which are written in own words. Okay? So go for it. I have no problem. But yes, it should be appropriate.
क्या?
कुछ नहीं लिख देना, ठीक है?
पनीर कैसे?
So D1 is done. Second, how was the invention of wheel an important step towards progress for early humans? Who would like to answer? Okay, see. We can refer to
Can I
this
tell?
paragraph.
Me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, invention of wheel was held in Neolithic age.
Yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
So we can refer this paragraph. It is written. See, the invention of wheel was an important step towards progress. We don't know how the idea. These things you don't need to write. ये सब मत लिखना. ठीक है? That
The
how
second
this was
paragraph.
occurred. हाँ. Like the
When we
wheel
can
changed
like
people's
after
life in
that
many ways.
invention of
They
wheel,
could
Only
now
for
go
the
from one
progress.
place to another much
but
faster
ma'am,
than
after
before.
the invention of wheel, it was easy for early humans to transport the loads or move from one place to another place in much faster time.
Yes, beta. In like very short span of time, people could transport the things from one place to another. They could easily move from one place to another. See, you can write your answers in points. That invention of wheel made the life of people, early human, easier in following ways. First point. It
Excuse
was
me,
very
ma'am.
easy to
Ma'am, we have
transport the
got
things.
that we do not know to put the ideas.
What, beta?
Ma'am, we have cut this line. After that, we do not know how to idea the wheel occurs to the earlier possible. Ma'am, that you have cut the line in your underlining.
Means I am saying that you can write simply
Ma'am,
from
because
here. यहाँ से लिख सकते हो. That the invention of wheel was an important step towards progress because इसके बाद यहाँ because add करके from here you can write that they could now go from one place to another much faster than before. They could also move heavy objects more easily. The wheel also improved pottery making. Right. Up till here you can write these 3 points are enough. In your own words, you can also write that it was easy to transport the things from one place to another. It was very easy to move from one place to another in short span of time. With the help of pottery making, pottery making was possible because of this wheel. So these 3 points you can write in your own words. Okay. So it is all up to you how you write your answers. You got the idea? Idea मिल गया आपको? Please say.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, we have got the idea.
All right. Now
Yes, sir, we
third
have
one.
got the
Describe
idea.
the pit houses found at Burj Home. What means you have to write about the pit houses in Burj Home. You can refer this entire paragraph, but don't write the entire paragraph. You have to pick up important
The
points.
important lines we will write.
Yes, beta. Like see here what are written. Many pit houses have been found at Burj Home. People use stone tools to dig circular pits in the ground. They then plastered that side with muds. These pits were usually narrow at the top and wide at the base. The pits that were deep had steps that led down. Ash, charcoal, pieces of pottery have been found in these pits. Some of the pits had oven made of stone or clay. These ovens may have been used to cook food. Perhaps people lived in these pit houses when the weather was cold. So many points are written. How can we write? We can simply mention that it was like a circular pit into the ground which was plastered with mud, and it was used for see here. No, this is all about the evidences now. Yes, about its shape you can write that it was narrow at the top and wide at the base, right? And some of the pits had ovens made of stone or clay. For what
Ma'am,
purpose
first
was
point,
it used?
ma'am, first point we will
Yes,
write that
sometimes
many
the
pit
important
houses
points we
have
will
been
write.
founded
Huh.
at Bursa, ma'am. Then second, ma'am, then second we will write second we will write they then plastered, ma'am, they then plastered one, ma'am, then
See,
third
listen.
one that
When you are preparing the answer for pit houses, so what are the points you will incorporate that I am telling you? First, you will write the location. Which is the location where pit houses have been found?
Ma'am, Burja home. Ma'am,
Burj.
Burja home.
Yes. Second, you will write that how was it formed? How was it formed? So it was a circular pit into the ground which was plastered and narrow at the top and wide at the base. This much is done. ठीक है? पूरा paragraph नहीं लिखना पड़ा. In short, you have written. Then third point you will mention that what are the evidences found here. Pit houses से क्या evidence मिले हैं? So with the pit houses we have found ash, charcoal, pieces of pottery. Correct? Fourth, purpose of use. What was the purpose of use of pit houses? So you will write that these were used to cook food and also to live in cold weather
Escape
season.
from cold.
Yes, that's it. In 4 points, your answer will be done. Isn't it easy to write the answer in 4 points?
yes, ma'am, it is very easy to write the answer in 4 points.
Yes, so you can take the screenshot. आप screenshot ले सकते हो. And then you can prepare
Yes,
your
ma'am.
answer.
Daily life.
Now next question is asking write short notes on daily life of early humans, that is Mehergarh period 1. So it is asking about this particular paragraph. देखो ये वाले paragraph की बात करता है. That is from 7000 to 5500 BCE. ठीक है?
Ma'am, we can write full paragraph.
No. I have already said that no need to write the entire paragraph. Again, you will make points from this. Okay, because it is asking about write short notes now on the daily life of early human. How was the daily life? See, first let's read it out so that you can get the idea.
Daily life they do agriculture and tame animals.
Yes, beta. The houses were mud structures, square or rectangular in shape. No pottery has been found from here. Burial sites were there. Correct. And you can also mention about these one, that what have been found from there. So see, it is written in the graves. We have found some of the objects like stone axes, ornament of seashells, limestone, turquoise, lapis lazuli, sandstone, along with the figures of women and animals. So for this also you can mention in points that how was the lifestyle over there of the people. So for farmers,
Ma'am,
you
the
can write
lifestyle of the people that farmers kept. Ma'am, the farmers kept sheep. 1 second, ma'am. हाँ, ला रही हूँ.
So like what did we see here? That here the farmers kept cattle, sheep and goats, isn't it? And means it all, when you read this paragraph, what do you find? That people were engaged in domestication, correct? They were also engaged in agricultural practices. Apart from that, they had their own settled houses, correct? And they were not making any kind of pottery. वो लोग pottery का काम नहीं करते थे, but apart from that, all these things were there. Burial sites were also there. So this is all about their life. So don't write the paragraph. You simply write the important points which is related to their daily life. Are you getting my point? How the answer will be written?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have pointed also. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, and point number 4.
Yes, beta. So likewise you can write.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I guess we
Ma'am,
have
we have
done
to
all
also
the...
write hot. Ma'am, we have to write hots also.
Let me see. Why do you think the dead were buried with burial goods? So we can write here, this is an important question. They were buried with burial goods so that in the afterlife, means after the death, if they need something, they could use it. This is what
Ma'am,
Mhm.
ma'am, we have to write the horse also.
This fifth number is important, so you have to write it.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, and
So in
six
fifth number you
also.
will write that the dead were buried with burial goods because of their belief. What was the belief? The belief was that after the death there is a life, and in that life people also need something. This is why they were buried along with the burial goods. Am I clear? समझ में आया सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next question, let me read it out. Which according to you was a greater revolution? Early humans becoming food producers, or early humans taming animals, or early humans making pottery? Give
Ma'am,
reasons
early
to
humans
justify your
becoming
answer.
food producers.
Very
Food
good. This
producer.
was the greatest revolution.
Yes, ma'am. Because of this only they started taming animals.
Yes, because all these are interrelated, isn't it? The after effect of becoming food producer. Because they became food producer, then and only they were able to tame the animals. Then and only they get involved into the pottery. Correct. अगर food producer ही नहीं बनते तो वो pottery का काम क्यों करते?
Yes,
बताओ. They had no
yes,
need to
ma'am.
store
They
the
did
grain.
not store food.
Yes. So this is why, according to, you can write this answer this way, that according to me, the great revolution was early human becoming a food producer. Okay, and then after you will state your reasons. So I hope now everyone is clear with the answers.
10, 6 are both are important, no?
Yes, beta, both will be written.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Now, apart from this, some of the important questions, let me tell you for exam from this chapter, because this chapter is also coming now. So question can be asked from this one, domesticate animals, which were the first crops, means first cereal to be grown. Then from pottery part, the question can be asked. Then from all these, pit houses, tools, means you have to simply read it out that which were the tools used, means evidence of tools have been found from Burjo, or the remains of burials have been found from there. Then what is this age, that you have to read it out. And from this, some of the important points are there, like which are the sites, isn't it? Sites name are mentioned here, so that you will go through. So simply you can go through important points of the chapter that I have already told you about. Don't get dependent upon the exercises only. सिर्फ exercise से question आएगा ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. From inside the chapters also the objectives may be asked. So be prepared. I hope nobody will be facing any problem if the questions are asked from inside the chapter.
No, ma'am.
Because
No,
chapter
ma'am.
has already been taught very well. बहुत अच्छे से chapter पढ़ाया गया है. So from chapter 2, chapter 1, please go through all the important points once. Okay. So is there any confusion now related to the chapter, exercise, question, answer, exam, anything? All doubts are clear? Parth? Praneeth?
Yes, ma'am.
All doubts are clear na beta?
ma'am.
Everything will be done.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
doubts are clear, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. All doubts are clear.
Okay.
No,
So
ma'am. Making
start
also.
okay. So start your preparation for exams. And if you face any difficulty, we'll be discussing in the class. Now about the next class, most probably we'll go for revision. If we have enough of time, then we will start with a chapter. If not, then we will go for revision of all the chapters once again so that you can prepare well for exams. Okay. So you please read out the chapters and whatever are the doubts, you can collect it and we will have a discussion. I will not teach the chapter. You have to teach me. So this is why I am saying read out the chapters well. We will have a discussion, proper discussion over the chapter. Now all can leave. Thank you.